Sraith Pictiúr a thugtaíodh comórtas cócaireachta TG Ceathair, a cooking competition on TG Ceathair. So sa fictúr seo tá trúr-buachalaí ag fécinnt nuacht TG Ceathair. There's three boys looking at nuacht TG Ceathair. There an láithreoir go mbeidh comórtas cócaireachta siúl TG Ceathair. The presenter says that there will be a cooking competition on TG Ceathair. It's the Galtí Scoile Amháin an comórtas. The competition is for students or school students only. There she go bhfuil tuilleadh eolais fáil líne tgceathair.ie. She says that there's further information available. Líne is online on tgceathair.ie, and it's important to say tgceathair.ie. Ceapan na buachalaí go bhfuil an comórtas simúil. The boys think that this competition is interesting. Búlann siad leis an bríomhaide chun an comórtas a phlé leis. They meet with the principal to discuss the competition with him. Tug an buachal amháin cúntas dó faoin comórtas. One boy gives him an account of the competition. Der sé go bhfuil tuilleadh eolais an sieve. He says that there's further information on the site. Luan sé go mbeidh dúis fáil don na bútóirí. He mentions that there will be a prize available to the winners. Darren príomhide má tá an múntóir sásta, the principal says if the teacher is happy, beidh ceadacu leanúd they will have permission to continue on. Fiche chuna ní an taim atá an glog. It's 20 to 9 on the clock. Mullen an príomhide dómh labhairt leis an múntóir ach na míocht bhaile. He advises them to speak with the home economics teacher. Féicigh an múntóir an sieve. The teacher will look at the site. Búlann na daltaí leis an múntóir ach na míocht bhaile. The boys meet with the home economics teacher. Tá siad sa seomra cócaireachta. They're in the cooking room. Téann siad líne chun sieve an chomórtas eáil. They go online to have a look at the competition site. Find siad eolas faoin na rialacha to get information about the rules, agus conas chuirteachar an comórtas and how to submit to the competition or submit an entry to the competition. Beidh sesiún sa chisteann in Ballinhaun. There will be a session in the kitchen in Ballinhaun. Feicimid na mána an telf. We see the weighing scales on the shelf. There an múntóir go bhfuil a lán olbhúcháin le déanamh acu. The teacher says they've a lot of preparation to do. Beidh bíochláir ag tastáil uhu. They will need to have a menu. Lá an chomórtas atá ann. Agus tá gach duine bailithe ag TG Ceathair in Ballinhaun. So lá an chomórtais atá ann is what I should have said. It's the competition day and everyone is gathered in TG Ceathair in Ballinhaun. Tá fógra an mala ag chur fáilte ribh gach duine. There's a notice on the wall welcoming everyone. Comórtas cócaireachta ile éireann de scoilne atá siúil inniuh. It's the All-Ireland Schools Cooking Competition that's taking place today. Feicimid iarthorthaí ina seasamh ag na boards. We see candidates standing at the tables. Tá na co-over réige acu. They've got the materials ready. Tá siad ag caitheamh náprún cócaireachta. They're wearing cooking aprons. Tugan an multóir tróircha dómh ribh thús an chomórtais. The adjudicator gives them guidelines or instructions ribh thús an chomórtais before the beginning of the competition. Ag deireadh an chomórtais at the end of the competition, tugan na multóirí ardmhola de gach foirm. The adjudicators give great praise to every single team. Deir na multóirí go ndearna gach foirm aníocht. The adjudicator said every team made a great effort. Luaigh an multóir go raibh gach duine géirí cócaireacht trí ghaeilge a dhéanamh. The adjudicator mentioned that everyone was trying to cook true Irish. Rinne na multóirí a gine. That's a key phrase. The adjudicators made a gine their decision. Tugan siad an chéad dúis don na buachalaí. They give the first prize to the boys. Brunnan an multóir €1,000,000 na buachalaí. The adjudicator awards, Brunnan is to award, so Brunnan an multóir €1,000,000 na buachalaí awards the boys a cheque of worth €1,000. Tá áthas an domhnar na buachalaí. The boys are delighted. Gabhann siad buíochas don bhúntóir ach na míocht bhaile. They thank their home economics teacher. Nuair a uileann siad ar an scoil, when they return to the school, bualann siad leis an bríomhide to meet with the principal. Féacann siad ar an glór ar TG Ceathair le chéile. They watch the programme on TG Ceathair together. Agus tá an príomhide brá sásta leo, and the principal is very, very happy with them.